Hello there, YouTubers. This is one of the videos I will end up making, obviously because I'm a Calc student and I want to share my information to help you people grow outside of the building I live in. I've learned calculus from Nova. I took it over in the course of a summer in 6 weeks and it was pretty interesting. I'm going to now explain to you the fundamental ideas of calculus. When you enter calculus, you'll deal with limits. First off, but you have to know what limit is. So it's basically as x is approaching a number, what y value you get. Next on to derivatives. With limits, you can deal with a lot of things. What you can do is plug numbers in to get the limits, but you can check by checking the graphs at the same time. That's what you expect on a test. Properties of limits. You can multiply the inner regions of one limit, and you get one limit of one of those functions times another limit of another of those functions. Next on to derivatives. There are a couple of rules you can use to derive. The easiest one to remember are the chain rule, product rule, quotient rule. Those are the basic ones you have to know. Moving on to differentials. And concerning derivatives, there are things that you have to know, like applications of differentiation. There are differential equations that you may get familiarized to eventually. Also, what I want to explain to you is when you're dealing with differentiation, there's mathematics, and finding certain values in derivatives. Next, integral calculus. An integral is basically the antiderivative. That's what you get when you're deriving. What you took from something to get something else. The first thing you have there is the antiderivative. So basically, an integral takes the antiderivative and brings out what came back. What made that happen when you derived it. And Raymond sums and those kind of things have to do with adding up the rectangles under a curve that fit there and finding the area using certain knowledge you can use. You can get some sigma notation to write that there are a couple of triangles, and you, from the sequence of the triangles, you put the function on some values.